In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted file, folder from your HDD, SSD, or USB flash drive easily in 2024. Here is my flash drive. I had some photos I deleted mistakenly. I want to recover those photos. Download and install Minitool Power Data Recovery. I already installed it. Open Minitool Power Data Recovery. Select deleted file location. I select my location. See deleted file showing here. Select file, save it. See file recover successfully. That's it. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.